নমস্কার সবাইকে, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ঠাকুমার ঝুলি। I'm Madhurima and I'm back with another very interesting recipe. Today's recipe is paneer masala restaurant style. So let's watch how to make it. So we have taken a medium to large sized tomato, one medium sized onion and 1 inch ginger, and we are boiling them. We'll boil for around 10 minutes until it is completely done. See how beautiful it is done. So we'll strain and keep the ingredients and make it a little cold, and then make a very smooth paste out of it. See, this is the paste which we made out of the boiled vegetables. Now we take a pan, and I have taken half cup of oil, white cooking oil. This is half teaspoon cumin seeds, and this is again 1 teaspoon garlic, chopped garlic. In that I am putting the paste, the vegetable paste that we have made, and we will stir it nicely. We'll saute this very well, and the remaining half, which is like half teaspoon of chopped garlic, we'll put it now. It will give a very nice flavor when you put garlic in 2 phases, and it gives a very nice flavor. Time for the masalas. I've put coriander powder, which is half teaspoon red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. This is garam masala. Again, garam masala is going half teaspoon. So all the masalas along with the paste of onion, then tomato, then ginger, we will stir it nicely. This is char magas, and we will make a nice paste of it and put it in this masala. It will give a very rich and nice texture to the dish. It will not be heavy. Like when you put cream, it becomes very heavy. So this dish will not be very heavy, but it will be very rich. Char magas adds to that. See how beautiful this texture has become, the masala. It's getting done. Oil has started separating. So we'll put little water and saute the masala every time. So now the masala is done, and I have put water as per the desired consistency of the gravy that I want. I don't want it to be very watery, yet I do want gravy. So I have put the water as per the required consistency. I have put the paneer as well and covered it. Now the paneer, I have not fried it. I do not like paneer to be fried. Then the softness goes away. So I just put the raw paneer. This is the green chili that I put separately later because it gives out another very nice flavor. I love the flavor of green chili. So all goes in, and then once it has started boiling well, this is a handful of kasuri methi which we have to put to give another nice aroma to the dish. Stir it well, mix it well, and and let it cook. So you can see how beautifully the oil has started coming up on the top. বাংলায় যাকে বলে তেল ভেসে উঠেছে উপরে, and this is a sign that the dish is done. It's almost done. See the texture, and I want my gravy to be like this. It looks very rich, but it's not that rich because it doesn't have cream. This is the look I want. Doesn't it look yum? It's so yum. The moment I see this, I feel like having it with rumali roti. Yeah, so rumali roti, then jeera rice, or even fried rice, paratha, anything. You can enjoy this dish. The paneers are super soft. I'm telling you, they melt in your mouth. They literally melt in your mouth. Please do give it a try. This super tasty dish. Whenever you have guests at home, this is one of the dishes that you can make, especially if you have vegetarian guests. This will be a big hit, and I guarantee that. So if you like it, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends if only you like it. So for more such interesting recipes, you have to subscribe to my channel Thakumar Jhuli. So I'm Madhurima signing off for now. Bye. See you.